going on YouTube? Just got a quick video for you guys. And today I'm going to be getting a new microphone. Oh shit, what the fuck? I did not click this to start, I swear to God. Well, I guess Black Ops 4 is starting for some reason. Well, anyways, yeah, I'm getting a new mic today. It's supposed to be coming in the mail hopefully later on. And I will unbox that for you guys and do a comparison, see how much better it is. I know it's still going to be better because I'm just using my headphones right now. I've been using my headphones for the past videos, but yeah, I'm going to be getting a better microphone, and I will be right back when that gets here. Alright, peace. Alrighty boys, the package has arrived. It actually arrived really fast, more than I expected. I literally ordered this yesterday and I got free 1-day shipping at checkout. I do have Prime, but that usually doesn't really come with Prime. 1 day, that's crazy. It's like, but anyways, let's get open. Let's get this box open. See what's inside, see what it looks like. I'll probably just cut until when I have it opened, or until I'm about to open it, like reveal it, whatever. Fuck me, bro, I can't get this shit open. This tape is just like, it's too strong. Fucking Jesus. Alright, well that tape was pretty tough, that was a struggle. Alright. This useless plastic. It's not really puffed up, so it's pretty much useless. So here it is. Take this out of this plastic here. What's this say down here? Nothing. Well, here we are. We got the Assassin's Creed streamer bundle with the Blue Yeti microphone, and it's the Blackout edition. So there's a $60 game that came in here, and this is a $100 microphone, and I got this microphone for $80. Right now this deal is going for $140 on Amazon. Alrighty guys, now that we are on Amazon, as you can see here that this is the exact same bundle as I have, and this bundle is 140 bucks, and I paid just about 100 for mine, and that in my opinion is a really good deal. Lucky me, I found that on the 12-day deal thing or something like that, whatever it was called. But yeah, I am also using the Blue Yeti right now, so hopefully this sounds a lot better than what I was using before, than the mic that was just in my headset. And this is also the stand that I got to hook up on my desk. It also comes with a pop filter and stuff like that, another pop filter or whatever. Okay, so as I was editing, I realized that part of both of the videos of where I've actually revealed the actual mic itself got cut off, so I don't even know why that happened, but I'm just not going to have it in the video, I guess, anyways. Don't really need to see that much. It's not really that important to see the actual mic anyways, but you know, it's just important that you know what it is. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and always remember to supreme and subscribe. I'm aiming for like 1,000 subscriber mark. That would be great. Thank you guys so much. This has been Supreme Nige, and I'm out. Peace.